Solid colors contain color pigments which are dispersed finely across the vehicle and which look the same from any angle. When doing a partial repair, we must ensure that the color in the repaired area is the same as the original color. The best way to do so is through blending. The first step for a good blend is to correctly sand the primer and clean the surface, as this will help the paint to adhere properly. The next stage is preparing the color. It is important to follow the recommendations on the technical data sheet to ensure the correct preparation. Once the color is prepared, use a paint gun set to a pressure of between 1.8 and 2.0 bars and begin to apply the first coat. It is important to paint over the adjacent surface as little as possible. We then apply a second coat lightly over the first one. Ensure that the finished paint covers the adjacent area. Finish with a large wrist movement to spray the edges in order to bring together the original color and the color in the newly painted area. Finally, apply a 2K clear coat to ensure a good finish and the correct protection. Now you know how to correctly blend solid colors.